What is the one word for notation of how many times to multiply a quantity by itself? The correct answer is exponent. What is the one word for temperamentally seeking and enjoying the company of others? The correct answer is gregarious. What is the one word for reason with for the purpose of dissuasion? The correct answer is expostulate. What is the one word for bring into intimate and incriminating connection? The correct answer is implicate. What is the one word for internal organs collectively? The correct answer is viscera. What is the one word for enclose in a place of worship? The correct answer is enshrine. What is the one word for change or alter in form, appearance, or nature? The correct answer is transmute. What is the one word for the act of bringing about something? The correct answer is induction. What is the one word for being present everywhere at once? The correct. What is the one word for a deliberately offensive act? The correct answer is affront. What is the one word for an inherent cognitive or perceptual power of the mind? The correct answer is faculty. What is the one word for passing reference or indirect mention? The correct answer is allusion. What is the one word for an interest followed with exaggerated zeal? The correct answer is furor. What is the one word for clothing of a distinctive style or for a particular occasion? The correct answer is garb. What is the one word for a large indefinite number? The correct answer is multitude. What is the one word for give out, as breath or an odor? The correct answer is emanate. What is the one word for someone who is dazzlingly skilled in any field? The correct answer is virtuoso. What is the one word for showing inventiveness and skill? The correct answer is ingenious. What is the one word for make known to the public information previously kept secret? The correct answer is divulge. What is the one word for the quality of affording easy familiarity and sociability? The correct answer is camaraderie.